Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rocket Appartamento with us in the shop. And pretty much what we did is a tune-up on the machine. Pretty much where we started is we cleaned the whole group head out, scrubbed it down with detergent, replaced the gasket and the shower screen. I do have your older one. This is your older one. As you can see, not looking the greatest, so we did replace it with brand new ones and brand new gaskets. Also, we did descale your whole machine. We also backflushed your machine to get all the coffee that goes back into here, get it out down there. And we also descaled your machine, tried to hit all the parts that get water through it, and we had a couple issues with overheating, so we installed a new Rocket Appartamento modification, pretty much a new version of your valve. This is what controls how much pressure your machine will hold by twisting this knob on top. This one was just giving out, so we replaced it with a brand new one. Yeah. So now we're going to do a test shot with this machine. And we're using our test coffee, so don't worry if it goes too fast or too slow. It's a little coarse, so yeah, it's going to run a little too fast, but that's perfectly fine. Just making sure water gets to the front. Going to release all that pressure out to the back. Now we're going to test the steam. As you can see, working really well. And lastly, the hot water spout. Everything's working as intended. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.